Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Paulini, and as you already know that it's about my vaccine vlog. So yes, I am going to take my first dose of vaccine today. I am basically going to document the changes, if there will be any changes in my body after taking the vaccine. And the changes are like, do I have fever? Do I have any kind of headache? Do I have body ache or something related to that? So yes, I am kind of a bit scared of injection, but anyway, me and everyone, like you all, we do not have any chances to skip the vaccine. Please do not do this. Please, it's compulsory to take the vaccine. Book your slots and get your first dose of vaccine. So yes, be there with me, and let's check out how it goes on. As you can already see, the weather has gone pretty bad, and our date of vaccination is today itself, and we have to manage within this weather conditions. Now the weather conditions has gone much more prettier bad than how was it in the previous clip, and this is so challenging situation right now for me to travel to the vaccination center, and I hope we will be reaching there very soon. Always mom suggests not to leave home with an empty stomach, so I'm having breakfast, a banana and a bread, and that's all. So without any further ado, we started from our home so that we don't reach our vaccination center very late. Also, the main point is that the center was very near to our home, so it was not much of a big deal other than this bad weather, and we reached on time for there. After we reached there, the situation went much more worse. It started pouring very heavily, and at that moment I was thinking that how come other people who have vaccination slots today, how will they reach at this bad weather conditions? There were already people before us who came in early morning slots, like around 8:30, 9 o'clock in the morning, and they were already waiting to get their first dose of vaccine, and it seems the whole process started at 10 o'clock in the morning, which was very late for us. And this is how it looks inside. We were getting our security codes checked. So security code is the mandatory check-in before you get your first dose of vaccine, and this is me who was getting my first dose done. And to be very honest, I was very scared to get this injection, but anyway, we cannot get away with it, so I was closing my eyes so that maybe this is how I will feel less painful. And yeah, it did prick a little bit, but then yeah, it was okay for us. So after getting the first dose, we were supposed to wait in the center for 30 minutes just to check do we have any feverish sensation or not. But then we didn't feel any kind of sensation and we left for home. But I did feel a kind of tingling sensation after getting my first dose of vaccine. Hello, I'm back again. So it's been 9 hours since I've taken the vaccine, and I noticed three changes in my body. First is I felt a lot of sluggishness, and secondly I felt that my body wants rest. My body wants to rest a lot, so I slept. I took leave from my office, and I have taken my lunch, and I went to sleep. So yes, after I woke up from sleep, my body felt kind of very heavy, that I don't want to do any kind of heavy work or something. I didn't feel like waking up from my bed, but then I woke up, and now I'm feeling much more better than afternoon. But I didn't have any fever, any sort of fever, nor I had any any kind of body pain or something, headache or something like that. But I don't know if will I encounter with such problems in night. So yes, since many of us had this, that we are getting body ache and headache or something like that. But I did take a paracetamol after my lunch, so maybe because of that I don't have any body pains or something. But yes, this is just my experience. I'm sharing my experience. Your experience can be different than mine. You might have no changes like at all. So yes, that's all. And tomorrow morning I'm going to see again, do I have any changes. I want to see how the night goes, if I can, do I have any fever, will I get any fever or something like that. So yes, I'm going to check that, and tomorrow morning I'm going to see it again. So yes, let's wait for tomorrow morning. Until then, good night everyone. Good morning, my loves. So today is my morning documentation about this vaccine. So I didn't get any fever nor body ache or nor any kind of headache or something, but the main difference which I noticed is that my arm feels much more sore than it was yesterday. Yesterday I didn't feel much pain over my arm where the injection was injected, but today morning I do feel there is a difference of movement of my hand. So yes, that's what the difference is. And I do not have any kind of weakness or any kind of sluggishness or the tendency to sleep more today. I mean, I feel absolutely fine, absolutely healthy. But I would like to give you a disclaimer again that this is again my experience. Please do not compare my experience with yours. Yours can be completely different than mine, and difference in this experience creates uniqueness. So yes, that's what I'll tell you. And people who are watching me right now, before I would like to give you certain tips before taking the vaccine. Please sleep for 7 to 8 hours day before your first dose of vaccine or any second dose of vaccine. Have proper food, and whenever you go for the vaccine dose, please carry a water bottle with you. You can also carry fruits or something, or maybe some amount of food with you, because you can expect that the queue will be kind of huge. So yes, and better take care of yourself. Wear double masks, or wear surgical masks, I'll say, other than wearing any fancy masks. So yes, I want to draw your attention over there as well. And other than that, rest is everything. Good to go and have your vaccine, click picture while you're taking vaccine, because this is just a revolutionary act which is happening. Like I obviously, did we ever think that such virus is gonna come someday, and vaccines gonna come out, and we are it's compulsory to take the vaccine. Other than that, I shall see you soon again, and till then, take care, stay safe, please be inside your home, stay with your family, stay close with your friends, family, and also please do not forget to take care of yourself, and please do not take stress. So yes, bye.